Welcome back, baby. Guys, every Monday night I teach popping class at the Get Down. If you guys didn't know, for those that do know, you know what it's about. So this video, I got 5 groups, and these are the groups that are from the class. Most of these guys and gals haven't been popping too long. They would probably consider themselves somewhere in the beginner, and maybe a few that are considered themselves intermediate. However, I'm really proud of everybody here. So what we're doing right now is in one class, we would teach a concept, you know, maybe a roll, a little hop or something like that. And as far as this one, we did some hops. So we group up in groups of 2 or 3, and we come up, we do the routine, and towards the end, every group gotta be creative and either solo or come up with pre-choreographed routine. So first we got the first group right then, and then we're gonna move into a second group real soon. Right here we got the second group, and anyways, what I'm gonna do is in a following video, I'm gonna break down. I'm gonna explain exactly how we're gonna do the routine and what that is. But right now, I just want you guys to enjoy and watch what we did in an hour worth of time. And again, anybody could get started. The idea of these videos is to inspire you guys. You know, you don't necessarily see people that's gonna learn something in a month and be expert at it. This is reality. The reality is that it takes time, it takes training, it takes passion, you know, it takes dedication, and just have fun while we're doing it. So anybody could do it, all right? So anyways, guys, enjoy this video. I'm gonna have on the link in the description below if you guys wanna learn specifically how to do this routine. All right, guys, that is it. My name is Ceech. If you enjoyed this type of video, you know what to do. Hit the like, smash it, do whatever you want to do with it, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already, because we're gonna do this every week. See ya. Peace, and I'm out.